ताकत होती है, वो छुप के काम करती है, वो अपने आप को दिखाती कभी नहीं है. Everybody knows a partnership between our friend, the magician, and the businessman. There is a partnership, and then there is hidden power. Massive, extremely strong, but completely hidden. And that power, that force, that does not show itself, but is there, knows the entire history of the magician. It knows every single detail about the magician from when he first came into politics till when he arrived as Prime Minister. It is using the information to shape. Please understand what has happened here. It is important that everyone understands. The BJP knew, they knew very clearly that this bill actually cannot be passed. This was a panic reaction because the Prime Minister at any cost needed to send two messages. Number one, he needed to change the electoral map of India, and number two, he needed to send the message again that he is pro-women. Why he is doing that, I will leave to your imagination. The truth is a magician has been caught. The magician of Balakot, the magician of demonetization, the magician of Sindoor, the last session of Parliament completely destroyed the structure. A deal was signed with the United States that under no circumstances would have been signed by any Prime Minister of this country unless he was compromised. Yesterday I was watching the Prime Minister speak. Low energy, broken, nothing transmitting, and I suddenly noticed that yesterday was the 16th of April. And I was like, my God, how crazy. That's the number. This 16 number. Everything is in the number 16.